What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And building on Terra Lunar Classic, well, we are seeing more and more applications come and build on our network. We are strengthening what we are trying to build, and it certainly looks very, very bright for the future of Lunar Classic. What's the latest one to be building? Well, we'll take a look at it in this video, as well as a 2023 price prediction. You know we love price predictions right now at the minute. But all that being said, let's make sure we subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 14,000. We need about 150 more subscribers, so if you could all just do that, that would be fantastic. Leave a like on this video, all of that good stuff, and let's dive into it. So currently the global crypto market just under 1%. We're back at 1.05 trillion, testing 23k. Now, interestingly, Bitcoin's tested that about 5 times in the last couple of hours, has been rejected a number of times, but it does look like it's a matter of time until we break 23k once again. ETH at 1628, and as we come down the list, you see a lot are starting to move green. XRP have a big run at nearly 6% up on the day. But as we come down, and you'll notice something different with Terra Lunar Classic, that we have, in fact, dropped to the 50th largest cryptocurrency out there right now. So just tipping in the top 50. Why, I hear you ask? Well, again, our circulating supply continues to reduce. And while we have that reducing supply, and our price stays relatively stable, our total market cap is down. So we're down about $12 to $13 million day on day. So we are seeing it slightly pull back, but again, still it's a top 50 cryptocurrency right now. But what have we got in terms of news? Well, Toxic Labs, or the DAO for Toxic Labs, come out as a competition time. What should we name our new version of Anchor? A money market, in essence, on Terra Classic. Winner receives 1 million LUNC deposited in our new decentralized applications when we launch. End date is Wednesday the 25th. So brewing something on the Terra Classic network, a new money market is being built upon Terra Lunar Classic. And again, these are exactly what we want to see. These are where the partnerships with Luna come in, and equally people waking up and really understanding the potential power of our blockchain, the fact that it's cheap, the fact that transactions happen quickly, and ultimately it is incredibly scalable. So you can see here Toxic Labs wanting to come out with their new money market launching on Terra Lunar Classic. And these are the kind of things we absolutely want to see. What has that done in terms of price? Well, we've consolidated still sideways, just marginally down 1.36, hovering around that 17.9. But you can see we're on the hour chart, just consolidating sideways. We come and tested the 50-day EMA, but did get rejected. If we go out to the daily chart, again, you can see we are well above that 50-day EMA trend, and it is a trend upwards. And this is rudimental TA, but you can absolutely see that we are on a positive trend now. Again, we come into mint tomorrow's candle. What does that look like? Do we bounce off this support as we did here, and we could be heading on up maybe into the 18s and certainly back up as this EMA starts to trend upwards? But with that being said, let's take a look at what the experts are telling us about price predictions. But if you want to grab yourself some Lunar Classic, by the way, and also give yourself the ability to get over $9,000 worth of free bonuses, use the link in the description. It supports the channel and ultimately can get you cheaper trading fees on MEXC. So the link is in the top of the description. Go and check it out. Sign up using that code over there. Does support the channel, like I said, and gets you some cheaper trading fees. But the experts say Terra Lunar Classic price prediction as of LUNC pumps 48% from recent lows. $1 incoming in 2023. Now, it officially means I can put $1 in my title, but it says LUNC, the ticker for Lunar Classic cryptocurrency that powers the original but now largely defunct Terra blockchain, is up an impressive more than 40% from the lows it printed back in December. Remember, we were down at that point 3013 level and have found some real solid support around that 1718 level. So short-term price predictions remain cautiously optimistic, with the cryptocurrency's near-team technical outlook fairly positive. Now, we know obviously the layer one really building on what they've done and really getting the technical side of things in order. It says, meanwhile, the 100 and 200 day EMAs are still providing resistance. LUNC's 50 and 21 DMAs are now providing support. The general technical picture thus suggests that a buying pressure is building and a break above the 100 and 200 DMAs is possible. The 19 area is a key zone of resistance. The break above it could trigger a swift jump to the next major resistance area around the 27 mark. So again, we were talking about here, this line, this test here, we could see this bounce off and we could head up all the way up to here, the 19s. We have tested it a couple of times in the last sort of 2 weeks, but again, we are, as the market moves, looking for that real bounce up to that level. And it says, what does it look like in 2023? Well, while the near-term outlook for LUNC looks pretty good, a test of $1 in 23 is unlikely. I think we would all agree on that, unless the Lunar Classic community implements big changes to the cryptocurrency tokenomics. That's because at present there are close to 7 trillion Lunar Classic tokens in circulation. Hence why whenever I talk about Lunar Classic, it is ultimately two things. One, we have to remove supply, we have to burn supply, and at the same time we have to build on top of the network. So most would agree Lunar Classic is unlikely to ever reach a $7 trillion market cap, not least because the blockchain entire Web3 ecosystem obliterated in May 22 when UST depegged. But, and if you haven't watched my video on that repegging of USDC, I'll leave that in the description so you can go check it out. It says, can it continue rise to the broader cryptocurrency space, push LUNC back towards its highest from last year to the 306 area? Why not? Cryptocurrency markets are a crazy speculation-driven place. And I think ultimately that's the point here. What we want to do though is build it organically with decentralized applications, protocols, and likewise burning the supply. We have a big community that ultimately is supporting this. And what we are seeing now is a shift for projects to come and build on our ecosystem. So certainly it's only, in my opinion, a matter of when as opposed to if. And we continue to build and we continue on this channel to bring you the latest in all of those content. But as ever, thank you so much for your support. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. And also if you haven't subscribed already, then please do so and turn the notification bell on so you know when we upload our latest videos, or join us for our live streams 4 p.m. Eastern every single night right here on YouTube. You have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next one.